Will a bag of water leak if you poke pencils through it? Let's see and find out. All right, we are filling a gallon Ziploc bag with water. Keep on, we're going to fill it up halfway, at least halfway, but no more than 3/4 of the bag can be filled with water.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you hold this for a minute. Let me Ziploc it. And I don't let out the air. I let it stay like this. Okay, are you ready? All right, we are going to put pencils through the bag and the water will not come out. Like the water will stay in and it will not pour out. All right, here we go. So as you can see, no water is rushing out at all. I will do it one more time and then Jordan will go. Here we go. It's going through. No water. All right, your turn.
I get all of these?
Yep, you can do all of them. So look at that. There's pencils through a bag and no water is coming out at all. So this is our experiment. We're testing theories here. We thought that water would come shooting out. Go ahead.
Oh, that's wet.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wet.
All right, so if you want to try this at home, you need a gallon Ziploc bag, some water, and very sharp pencils. We use some colored pencils and regular pencils, and they both worked. We just got a little water starting to leak. But for the most part, it worked. Try it at home. It's pretty cool. You can also add food coloring to change the color of the water if you want. So if you are wondering why the water doesn't leak when you poke a hole through the bag, it's because the bag has a polymer which makes it flexible. When you poke the pencil through the bag, it acts as a temporary seal so that the water does not go through.